front of me is iiiF150 Raptor 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Sim from Mad Scientist. When it's ready, launch it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Not sponsored, by the way. Now wait for the pop-up, hit consent, and my favorite part, manage your wallpaper thanks to this gear at the top left corner. After clicking on it, you can adjust all of those options and check out preview at the top. You can also hit presets on the left and check out all of those. Then adjust settings of them however you wish to. When you're done, click at the top right corner and the bottom right corner. Now choose Set as Live Wallpaper. Hit Yes. Tap on Set Wallpaper and decide where by tapping on Home Screen or Home Screen and Lock Screen. Lastly, just go back. As you can see, after that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!